Hey, Intro to Yearbook. This is to show you how to log into our design program, which is called Online Design, which we work with Walsworth Yearbooks. That is our yearbook company, Walsworth. And so through them, we have a design program that is web-based, which makes that wonderful now during our time of virtual learning. So I'm going to just show you how to get logged in for that first time and just a couple like basic kind of like a little tour of online design. So for the first time logging in, you will go to walsworthyearbooks.com. Okay. Once you're here, your screen should look like this. And up here you can see it says login. So you're going to log in. I'm already logged in. I'm actually going to log out so you can see what this looks like. I'm going to log in as a student so you can see what that student view looks like. So when you get here, you are going to type in your username. All of your usernames are your first name, last name. So my student name for me is Sally C. Shell. So yours will look like that, your whole first name, your whole last name. Except for Kai, you have an underscore in between your first and last name. And I'll tell you that individually as well, just because your name was not long enough. So first name, last name, all one word. And then your password for the first time logging in, everyone's password is 123456. Okay, and then you click login. I don't want to save that because I am going to update my password here. So it will ask you to create your own password. I would suggest just using your LSR7 password, but your old password is 123456, and then you would create a new password, whatever that might be. Click save, and then I would save that. I'm not going to because I log in as a different, I log as in a teacher instead, but I would just save that so you can get back to that easily. So I'm going to log in as Sally Seashell, log in. It does ask you to set up a challenge question. Let's see here. I'm going to say my favorite colors. This, don't tell people that stuff, enter. And then again, you can save that. I'm not going to, but I can now finally continue on to what we call members only. From here, this is kind of what you guys will see. You'll get to see a bunch of different things. Don't worry about too much of that right now, except for right over here where it says online design. Click on that. And a new window pops up. If this is not popping up for you on your Chromebooks, please let me know. It might just be as simple as like you need to turn off a pop-up blocker or something like that. But here's what you will see. You will see to-dos if you create them for yourself, but this is what it looks like logging into online design. Once a spread is assigned to you, let's say you are assigned a boys basketball spread when the winter comes along, it would pop up right here and you would be able to access it from there. Right now, we're not even worried about that because you're not assigned to actual spreads, okay? And once that is assigned, you'll see due dates and things like that on this initial screen, okay? Down here, there's some important things as well where you can upload photos. If I send you a message through online design and a way to quickly access your uploaded photos. Up here, you have different tabs. You're really only going to be working with online design, photos, and then the plan book, okay? Just real quick, the photos tab it would show any photos that you have uploaded. Photo albums would show everybody's photos that they have uploaded. And that's really what you're going to be working with as well. For your template creation, you're going to be clicking on Plan Book. And here's where we will create a template, but that is for another video. So hopefully this gets you into online design. And if you have any problems logging into online design, please let me know.